Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic, your premier destination for the latest in automotive innovation and luxury. Today, we're exploring two of the most anticipated motorhomes of 2025, the Toyota Venus and the Kenworth T2000. These vehicles redefine the standards of comfort, technology, and performance on the road. Let's delve into what makes each of these motorhomes a pinnacle of mobile luxury. Starting with the 2025 Toyota Venus, Toyota has unveiled a vehicle that seamlessly blends reliability with modern features, catering to adventure enthusiasts and van life lovers alike. The exterior boasts a sleek yet rugged design, featuring a high roofline and aerodynamic bodywork. Equipped with LED headlights, a bold grille, and robust skid plates, it's ready for off-road adventures. The van also offers roof racks, an integrated awning, and optional solar panels to enhance its versatility. Inside, the camper van is thoughtfully designed for space and comfort. It includes a convertible bed system that comfortably sleeps 2 to 4 people, a compact kitchenette with a sink, induction cooktop, mini fridge, and storage, as well as a small wet bath with a toilet and shower. Rotating front seats and a foldable dining table make the interior multifunctional, and there's ample storage for gear and supplies. Premium trims offer options like leather upholstery, mood lighting, and an upgraded sound system. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Venus is powered by a hybrid drivetrain, combining a 2.5L 4-cylinder engine with electric motors for improved fuel efficiency. An all-electric version is also available, boasting a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. For those seeking off-road capabilities, the van offers all-wheel drive and a terrain management system, with enhanced suspension to handle rough terrain. Technology-wise, Toyota has equipped the camper van with a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. The van also offers 360-degree cameras for easy parking and maneuvering, Wi-Fi connectivity, and multiple USB ports. Sustainability is a key focus, with recycled materials used in the interior and an optional solar power system that can charge the auxiliary battery, providing energy for appliances and lighting during extended trips. Now, turning our attention to the 2025 Kenworth T2000, this motorhome is built on a robust Kenworth truck chassis, delivering exceptional power and towing capacity. It's designed to conquer any road, featuring a heavy-duty suspension system, advanced four-wheel drive, and high ground clearance. The interior of the T2000 offers a spacious and luxurious environment with premium materials, including leather upholstery and wood accents. It includes a well-appointed kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, and ample storage space for extended journeys. Advanced technology features include a large touchscreen infotainment system, a premium sound system, and advanced driver assistance systems for enhanced safety and comfort. Under the hood, the T2000 is powered by a PACCAR MX-13 12.9L turbocharged diesel engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. It comes with a 12-speed automated manual transmission and offers a towing capacity of up to 20,000 pounds. The motorhome is equipped with lithium-ion batteries and an optional generator backup, ensuring off-grid readiness. Safety features include lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a collision mitigation system. The exterior offers multiple storage compartments, a retractable awning, and an exterior shower. Inside, you'll find a full bedroom, dining area, large sofa or lounge area, and a full bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet. The kitchen is equipped with a full-size refrigerator, a 3-burner stove, an oven, and a microwave oven. In summary, both the 2025 Toyota Venus and the Kenworth T2000 represent the pinnacle of luxury and innovation in the motorhome market. Whether you're seeking a compact, eco-friendly adventure vehicle or a spacious, powerful home on wheels, these motorhomes offer unparalleled comfort and technology for the discerning traveler. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of luxury travel. Stay tuned to Auto Dynamic for more insights into the latest automotive innovations. Safe travels.